Whew. Alright then. Come on, guys. It's like we're miles so we can find the Rangers. Sonic, it's like you would see, but if you'll never expecting, I hope I will. Don't even think about Megan, huh? Nothing. Okay then. Come on, guys.
Well, Sonic, I know because you are the fastest you will. Yeah, you are like the fastest you'll see. That's right, you guys. I know he is, but he would.
Yeah. Where's that girl, teenager Roxy? Oh, here she comes.
A la cuenta de la Macarena, and the cuenta santo de la Macarena. A la cuenta de la Macarena, the Macarena. Aye!
Did you always have to sing a lot?
Yes, seriously. I always loved to be singing. You know, he's starting to sound like Branch.
What is that?
Nothing. Well, what's a Macarena? It's a song. It's like the notes on the listen. It's from the 90s. Well, I remember I listened to this. Well, I remember I teach like nothing. Ever since I remember when I was on vacation, I was with my dad.
Okay. Well, no time for that. We gotta find them.
We need to ask somebody a question. What about them over there? Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's ask them a question.
Wait a minute. I think I might recognize. Okay, guys, so, what am I telling you for something about it?
I don't know about that, Cardi, but it's something a problem.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, look! Some special guests. Hey, Cardi. Oh, hi there, Roxy.
You know her?
Yeah, she's the one helping ever since when Poppy read since the Valentine's Day.
Oh, okay.
Well, hello. Hey there. Who are your friends? Well, guys, this is Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog. Wait, he's real? He can't be real.
Yes I am. See? See?
He is real!
Oh, really, guys? If he is real, can I just do this?
Ow! Hey!
Knuckles!
Or this?
Ow! Please stop.
Sorry.
If I am real, that's true. You cannot hurt the painful. Sorry about that.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. And these are my friends, guys.
Yeah, this is Knuckles, Sticks, Amy, and Tails. Hello!
Wow! Well, it's nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Sage. Well, hello.
And we would like you to meet our two new friends.
Yeah, this is Camilla.
Hi, I'm Camilla. Oh my god, I love the name, like Camilla Cabello. Ooh. Well, yeah.
And my name is Bruno.
Like Bruno Mars. Wow. So wait, you got the name like Cardi B and Bruno Mars. You know that they sing? Finesse.
Whoa, I think I know that. Remember that. Wait, but we need to ask you something.
Okay, what is it?
We were looking for our friends.
Friends? Who are your friends? Let me ask. Do you know the Power Rangers and the Troll Rangers? Yes, I remember them. What's going on? Shadow kidnapped them.
Oh my god, that can't be good.
Oh my.
Oh man, Shadow, why did he took them? I don't know, but we had to, that's why we're looking to search to find it.
I know for something. Excuse me, everybody. Yes, we are moving. Yeah. Okay. What is it about that, Cardi? I'll teach you for something about that. Bruno?
Oh, sure, I'm on it. Here we go again.
Well, you'll see about this is called finesse. Yay! Diamonds in and on change. Cardi B, man, tell me nothing, boss. Change again. Boogie guy, I don't know should. My big fat ass gun, I don't know what's hood. What the dollar bills, popping rubber bands. Bruno say, hey, that's about like, hey, hit the little John. Okay. You must have been paying. Ow,
don't we look good together? There's a reason why they let you alone. Whoa.
I think it's amazing.
Yeah, guys, amazing. What about it? Excuse me. Knuckles. Come on.
When I'm walking with you, I watch the whole world change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby, don't play. Blaming on my cover dance on blaming her mission is shut down on sight. That's right, we aren't tripping at finesse. It don't make no sense. I ain't tripping at finesse. You know it. I ain't tripping at finesse. It don't make no sense. Tripping at finesse. You know it. Slowing down from me, baby. 'Cause I love the way this is when we cry. Yeah. Our connection so magnetic on the floor. Nothing can stop us tonight. We know we do. I watch the whole world change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby, don't play. Blaming on my cover dance on blaming mention is down on sight. That's right. We are tripping at finesse. It don't make no sense. I'm tripping at finesse. You know it. Tripping at finesse. It don't make no sense. I'm tripping at finesse. You know it. Fellas, grab your ladies if your lady's fine. Tell her she don't want for life. Ladies, grab your fellas, let's do this right. Hey. Yeah, we got it going on. Good to be us. Yeah, we got it going on. Yeah, we got it going on. It could be us. You. Tripping at finesse. It don't make no sense. Tripping at finesse. You know it. Tripping at finesse with my baby. Oh. Whoa. Wow. We got it going on. Good to be us. Yeah, we got it going on. You know it. Got it going on. Feels so good to be us. Yeah, we got it going on. You know it. Ow. Thank you guys so much. No problem. So anyway, alright, we'll tell you where he is. We saw him that he took to some kinds of place that he did. All you have to do is go to your left and you go to your right. So that way you can find the place so you could look for your friends. Thank you guys so much, and thanks for the dance. No problem. Thank you. But it was awesome you did. We gotta go. See ya. I love you guys are awesome. Give me a pound. No problem. Thanks. I love you, amazing. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we get about that, but it's cool you did.
Thanks.
Have a great time in your adventure, guys. Well, I hope you can find your friends.
Yeah.
Hey, let's do it one more time.
Alright, trippin' and finesse.
To be continued.